Good day everyone, welcome to Senior Pablo TV. And for today's tutorial video, we will be discussing writing linear equation in standard form, or what we call the SF. It is in the form ax plus by is equal to c, wherein a, b, and c are real numbers. I have problems in our board, and these are the possible problems that you are going to encounter. Let's start with number 1. Rewrite the equation of a line 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 1 into standard form. So we're going to write into ax plus by is equal to c. So copy the given. 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 1. So our x must be on the left side. So by addition property of equality, if we're going to add 5x and another 5x, so this will become 5x plus 3y is equal to, this will be cancelled out, positive 1. So our standard form is 5x plus 3y is equal to 1. Let's proceed to number 2. The slope and y-intercept of a line are negative 2 over 3 and 5 respectively. Find the equation of the line in standard form. So we have our slope m is equal to negative 2 over 3, and y-intercept, the b, is equal to 5. Okay. In our previous lesson, we discussed the slope-intercept form, the SIF, and that is in the form y is equal to mx plus b, wherein m is our slope and b is the y-intercept. We're going to substitute our given into our slope-intercept form. So y is equal to, our m is negative 2 over 3, then copy x, plus our b is 5. And now from the slope-intercept form, write into standard form. So let us remove first the denominator, the 3. So we're going to multiply the equation by 3. So 3 times y, that is 3y, is equal to 3 times 3, that will become 1. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So the remaining is 2x. So that will be cancelled out. Plus 5 times 3, 15. And now, write into standard form. Addition property of equality, just like what we did in number 1. So, it will become 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. This will be our standard form. Now, our last example. Rewrite the equation of the line 3 over 2x minus 4 over 5y is equal to 3 in standard form. So just like in our example number 1, copy the given. 3 over 2x minus 4 over 5y is equal to 3. So we need to remove our denominator in our x. So we're going to multiply into 2. Now, this will be cancelled out. So the remaining is 3x minus 4 times 2, that is 8 over 5y is equal to 3 times 2, which is 6. This will be our standard. Or if we want to eliminate our denominator here, so we can multiply that by 5, 3x minus 8 over 5y is equal to 6. So multiply the equation by 5. So 5 times 3, 15x. So this will be cancelled out. Minus 8y is equal to 6 times 5, 30. If we want a full number in our A, B, and C. That is on how to rewrite linear equation into standard form. Your next lesson, writing linear equation into slope-intercept form. Writing linear equation in slope-intercept form, or the SIF. It is in the form y is equal to mx plus b, wherein m is our slope and b is the y-intercept. These are the possible problems that you are going to encounter. Let's try to solve number 1. Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form whose slope is 3 and y-intercept is -5. So, write the given. Our m, or the slope, is 3. And y-intercept, the b, is equal to -5. Next, we have the equation y is equal to mx plus b. Now, just substitute the given. So y is equal to, our m is 3. Then copy x plus b is -5. So y is equal to 3x, positive times negative, minus or -5. This will be our slope-intercept form. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. As simple as that. Next number. Write the equation of the line 4 over 5x minus 1 over 2y is equal to 7 into slope-intercept form. Give the slope and y-intercept. So we have the given 4 over 5x minus 1 over 2y is equal to 7. We're going to write into y is equal to mx plus b. So we need y on the left side of the equation. So -1/2 y is equal to, we need to move to the right, addition property of equality. So move, change the sign, 4 over 5x, then plus 7. Now, we only need y on the left side. So we need to multiply our equation by -2, or the reciprocal of our -1/2. Negative times negative, that will become positive. 2 times 1/2, that is 1. So the remaining here is 1y, or simply y. Now, negative times negative, that will give us positive. 2 times 4, that is 8 over 5. Copy x. Next, -2 times +7. So negative times positive, negative. 2 times 7, 14. This will be our slope-intercept form. Give the slope and y-intercept. So our slope is 8 over 5. And our y-intercept, -14. That will be our answer. So that's on how to write linear equation into slope-intercept form. Writing linear equation in point-slope form, the PSF. So we already discussed the standard form. We have the ax squared plus by is equal to c, and the slope-intercept form, the SIF, y is equal to mx plus b, and now we're in point-slope form. So we will be using y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1, wherein m here is the slope and the y sub 1 and the x sub 1 are the given point. Okay, given point and a slope are the given. Now let's have this example, number 1. Write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that has a slope of -2 and passes through the point 3, 7. So given the slope, that will be our m is equal to -2, and our point is 3, 7. So this will be our x sub 1 and y sub 1. Copy our formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. Okay. The point slope form. Now substitute. So y minus our y sub 1 is 7. So 7 is equal to m is -2, x, just copy, minus x sub 1 is +3. Okay. Now y minus 7 is equal to -2 times x, that is -2x. -2 times -3, that is +6. Right into slope-intercept form. So y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to -2x plus 6. Need to move on the right side. The negative will become +7. And for our final answer, y is equal to -2x, 6 plus 7, +13. This will be the equation of our line. Y is equal to -2x plus 13. Another example. A line passes through -3, 4 and has a slope of 3/4. Write the equation of the line in standard form. So our given for the slope, 3/4, and our point, -3, +4. Copies the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. Now let us substitute our given. This is our slope, the x sub 1 and y sub 1. So y minus y sub 1 is 4. 4 is equal to our m, 3/4. Our x, copy, and negative, quantity -3. So y minus 4 is equal to -3/4. X, negative times negative, that will give us +3. Distribute, or since we're looking for the standard form, we can remove 4 here by multiplying the equation by 4. So 4 times y, that is 4y. 4 times -4, negative 16 is equal to, this will be cancelled out. So I just copy 3 times x plus 3. So we don't have our denominator anymore. So we have 4y minus 16 is equal to 3 times x, that is 3x, 3 times positive 3, positive 9. We need to write into standard form. So we need to move our 3. This will become negative 3x, copy positive 4y is equal to 9. We need to move on the right, it will become positive 16. Addition property of equality. Now, negative 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. 9 plus 16, 25. Our a must be positive, so we need to multiply by negative. So this will become 3x, negative times positive, negative 4y is equal to negative times positive, negative 25. This will be our standard form. And this is our slope-intercept. Okay. Using the point slope form, we can get our equation of the line, whether it is in standard or the slope-intercept. Writing linear equation 2-point form. So after discussing the point slope form, that is in the form y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. Now we have the 2-point form. In the form y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Quantity x minus x sub 1. In our previous lesson, we discussed that the formula in getting the slope, if we have 2 points, is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This is our formula. Notice that if we're going to substitute this formula to m here, we can get the point slope form. That will be the relationship of the two, the point slope form and the 2-point form. So you're going to choose if you're going to find the slope first, or you're going to use directly the 2-point form. 2-point form. It's okay. It's up to you. Now let's try this example. A line passes through the following pairs of points: 3, 4 and 4, 7. Find the equation of the line in standard form and slope-intercept form. Determine the slope and y-intercept. So copy the given 3, 4 and 4, 7. Let us name it as x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. So it's up to you if you're going to use the 2-point form, this form, or you're going to get first the slope. Now let's get the slope first. So m is equal to formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then substitute. So y sub 2 is 7 minus y sub 1 is 4 over x sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is 3. So we have 7 minus 4, that is 3, over 4 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, which is 1, or simply 3. This will be our slope. Now, after getting the slope, we can go to the point slope form. So copy y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus sub 1. Y minus y sub 1, that is 4, is equal to m is 3, then x minus x sub 1 is 3. So copy y minus 4 is equal to distribute 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Now we write into slope-intercept form. Y is equal to 3x minus 9. Move to the right. Now we become positive 4. Addition property of equality. Y is equal to 3x. Negative 9 plus 4, that is negative 5. This will be our slope-intercept form. In slope-intercept form, we can get the slope of 3 and of course the y-intercept negative 5. Now let us get the standard form. So copy y is equal to 3x minus 5. So negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 5. Move to the left, it will become negative 3x. So we need a positive value for a. So multiply this by negative. So 3x minus y is equal to positive 5. This will be our standard form. Now, in our point slope form, we use x sub 1 and y sub 1 as our point. What if we're going to use the x sub 2 and y sub 2 to substitute in our point slope form? Let's say y sub 1 minus y minus y sub 2, let's say this one, is equal to m times x minus x sub 2. We're going to pick this value or this point. We're just going to check if we will come up with the same answer. This is just an experiment. So y minus y sub 2 is 7 is equal to our m is 3 times x minus x sub 2, 4. So y minus 7 is equal to 3 times x, that is 3x, negative 3 times negative 4, negative 4, 8, 12. Y is equal to 3x minus 12, move to the right, combine like terms, that will become positive 7. So y is equal to 3x minus 12, negative 12 plus 7, negative 5. Are they the same? Yes. Okay. They're the same. So it's okay whether what point you're going to use. So that is on how to write linear equation given the 2 points. 2-point form that is related in our point slope form. Writing linear equation, the intercept form or the IF. In the intercept form, we have x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Wherein a is our x-intercept and b is our y-intercept. To better understand, let's have the following examples. Number 1, find the equation of the line of the form y is equal to mx plus b that intersect the x-axis at 3, 0 and crosses at y-axis at 0, 5. So here our x-intercept or the a is 3 and our y-intercept is 5. Following our equation, so let's Let us substitute x over 3 plus y over 5 is equal to 1. We need to remove our denominator. So multiply it by the LCD of 3 and 5, that is 15. 15 divided by 3, that is 5 times x. So we have 5x plus 15 divided by 5. So that is 3 times y. 3y is equal to 1 times 15, 15. We're looking for the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So we have 3y is equal to the left negative 5x, addition property of equality, plus 15. Now divide by 3, that will give us negative 5 over 3x plus 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So this will be our equation. The other way is, since we have 2 points, we can get this slope, then after getting this slope, we can use the point slope form formula. Okay, let's have some experiment. So if we're going to find this slope, m, y sub 2, so let's say this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. The formula for m is y sub 2 minus the y sub 1, 0, over x sub 2 minus the x sub 1, 3. So 5 minus 0, that is 5, all over 0 minus 3, negative 3. That will be our m, which is correct. Our m here is negative 5 over 3. Okay, since given the y-intercept, we can correct into this form. Now, let's try number 2 example. Writing linear equation, parallel lines. If 2 lines are parallel, therefore they have equal or the same slope. The 2 lines are parallel, their slope are the same. Let's have this example number 1. Write an equation of the line that passes through negative 1, 5 and is parallel to the graph of y is equal to 3x plus 1. So we have an equation and a point. So in our equation, we can get our slope. So this is written in the form SIF, y is equal to mx plus b. So our m here is positive 3. Okay. Now, our previous topic, the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. We have another given, which is the point negative 1, 5. This will be our x sub 1 and y sub 1. We need to substitute in the point slope form. So y minus our y sub 1 is 5 is equal to our m is 3. X minus x sub 1 is negative 1. Y minus 5 is equal to 3. X, negative times negative, positive 1. Okay? Y minus 5 is equal to, distribute, 3 times x, 3x. 3 times positive 1, positive 3. Move, y is equal to 3x plus 3. Addition property of equality will become plus 5. Y is equal to 3x plus 8. This is now the equation of the line that is parallel to y is equal to 3x plus 1 and passes through -1, 5. Another example, number 2, write the equation of the line that is parallel to y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 6 and passes through 6, 7. So y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 6. So our m is 2 over 3. And our point 6, 7, x sub 1, and y sub 1. Then write our point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Substitute y minus y sub 1, 7, is equal to m. Our m is 2 over 3. So we have x. Our x sub 1 is 6. Let us remove our denominator so we can multiply this 2. Okay, it's okay. So just copy y minus 7 is equal to, distribute 2 over 3x. Now we have 2 times -6, that is -12, divided by 3, -4. So y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 4 plus 7. So we now have y is equal to 2 over 3x, -4 plus 7, positive. Okay. This is now the line that is parallel to 2 over 3x plus 6. Notice that we have the same slope for parallel. The same slope for parallel. Writing linear equation, this time we have the perpendicular lines. So if two equations are perpendicular to each other, their slope is the negative reciprocal. Okay, to better understand, let's have this example. Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to y is equal to 1/2 x minus 1 and has an x-intercept at 4. So given a line, equation of the line, y is equal to 1/2 x minus 1. We know that the slope here is 1/2. Since we are dealing with the perpendicular, we need to get the negative reciprocal of this. So the negative reciprocal of that is -2. So -2 will be our slope and has an x-intercept of 4 at 4. So the point will be 4, 0. Now we have a slope and a point. Let us now use the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. This is our x sub 1 and y sub 1. Now we have y minus y sub 1 is 0 is equal to our m, -2, quantity x minus 4. So y is equal to, so we can omit 0 here, -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -4, positive 2. This will be our equation that is perpendicular to y is equal to 1/2 x minus 1. Another example is, write an equation of the line that passes through 8, 2 and is perpendicular to the line whose equation is y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. Given the equation of the line, so our m is negative 1/2. We need to get perpendicular to this, so our m will be the negative reciprocal, positive 2. Now we have a point, 8, 2. So we have 8 and 2. This will be our x sub 1 and y sub 1. The point slope form y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Let us substitute. So y minus y sub 1 is 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 8. Y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x, so we have 2x. 2 times negative 8, negative 16. So y is equal to 2x minus 16 plus 2. Addition property of equality, change the sign. Y is equal to 2x, negative 16 plus 2, negative 14. Okay. That would be our equation that is perpendicular to the given equation. Thank you for watching Senior Public TV. We're done in writing linear equations. See you in our next